morning. Those who are unmute, please mute yourself. Mute your microphone. Sheikh Rehan. Okay. Good morning. Today I will do the grammar book. English grammar. Naming words. Page number 1. But please open your copy. First copy, then book. Everybody please open your copy, then book. Naming words are called noun. So what are noun? All the naming words are called noun. So what are naming words? First one, name of the person. Name of the person. Name of the persons. Name of the person means like this boy, girl, all these things are naming words. Man, woman, all these are. Now no need to write the present. Those who are present, I will call afterwards. Please write at that time. So please write in your copy from the board. First one, naming words. Naming words are called noun. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay. Can you see the board? Ayan Chaudhary, you should join in one pine, not in one oak. Last time Ayan Chaudhary, you have joined, I think, one oak. So please join there. Okay. So here, name of the person. Example, boy, girl. Only 2 examples I have given. Okay. So if you are having any problem, please write to me in my chat box. So here, first one, name of the person. Second one, what can I tell? Second one, name of the places. Name of the places. Example, Kolkata, Burdwan. So 2 things here I have given. Name of the person, boy, girl. Anything you can do. Not only that, man, doctor, nurse, policeman. Any person's name you can tell noun. Name of the places, Kolkata, Burdwan, or anything. Any places, Delhi, Mumbai, or park, hospital, market, all these places are called that. So, these are called name of the places. Then again another thing I can tell. Then another one, name of the person, name of the places. Third one I can write. If you will write, after that I will again write. Okay. Third one I am telling, name of the animals. Name of the animals means that dog, cat, tiger, whatever. All the animals' name you can tell that name of the naming words or noun. So here I am just writing that name of the animals, name of the animals. Slowly I am writing. So please write slowly. If you are having any problem to write, please tell me. Okay. So name of the animals. Name of the animals, only I have given dog, cat. Okay, so any animal's name you can write. Third one, fourth one, name of the day. Name of the day. Name of the day. Name of the day, Sunday to Saturday. So here I am writing Sunday, Monday. After that, number 5, name of the months. Name of the months. Only 5 I have given. Afterwards, next day I will give another words. Okay. So number 5, I will tell name of the months. Name of the months, January, February. Only I have written January and February. So these two things I have written. So here 5 things I have written. First one, name of the person, boy, girl, doctor, nurse, policeman, driver, anything. Name of the places. Name of the places means name of the places, Kolkata, Burdwan, Delhi, Mumbai, park, school, market, hospital, anything. Any places I can tell. Number 3, name of the animals, dog, cat, tiger, whatever you are thinking, that is name of the places. Name of the animals and name of the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Whatever you are thinking, that is name of the all these things, name of the day and name of the months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, up to December. Whatever. So these 5 things I have told you. So today I think you will write. If you are having any problem to write from the board, please tell me. Yes or no? Anything you can write. So after that, I will open your book. Okay, no. So Somrik Rai Chaudhary has written no. So today, now we can go to the page number 1. Page number 1 from your grammar book. Page number 1. Page number 1, name of the persons. After finishing the copy, you will go to your book. After finishing the copy, you will go to the book. So here, page number 1, I can write number 1. Page number 1. Some person's name they have given. Number 1, doctor. You can understand by looking this picture. Okay, by looking this picture. This is doctor. Second one, this is postman. Postman. Third one, teacher. Third one, teacher. Here I am writing. Third one, teacher. From the box you can write. Box also spellings are there. Teacher. Number 4. Number 4, driver. Number 5. Number 5. Clown. Number 6. Nurse. Number 7. Tailor. Number 8. Policeman. You should write in your book. Policeman. So these are naming words. Wow, very good. Shoshmit has given that copy. Then you can write in the book. Only little things first day I have done. First day of the grammar class I have done only little things. So that's why first one doctor, second one postman, third one teacher, fourth one driver. Very good beta, Arijit. Very good. Very good. Now open your book. Book you can write. Okay. Also you can write in the copy. No problem. Okay. No problem. Also you can write in the book or copy. Whatever you think. Yes. Very good. Very good. Arijit Datta. Very good beta. Okay. So book actually place is there. Space is there. So you can write also. Okay. Shomrik Roy Chaudhary also has written. Very good. So, doctor, postman, teacher, driver, clown, nurse, tailor, policeman. So, this class will go to the YouTube. So, if those who did not complete, they can also write from there also. But I think you are in the class 1. You have completed, you have grown up. So, you have completed also. So, it's a very good thing for you. Let me see who are in my class. Ardhya Mondal, Arijit Datta, Ayushman Shaha, Brishti Shahab, Porinita Das, Samriddhi Gupta, Shoshmit Ghosh, Satyaki Mondal, Sheikh Hanifa, Sheikh Rehan, Shomrik Rai Chaudhary, Sugata Boiragya, Sushovan Mondal, Tomojit Som. Okay. Very good. So 15 students are there. Sushovan, please complete. I will not rub the board. Please slowly you should do. Okay, beta, because I will not do afterwards. Only up to this I will do. Slowly you should write. Okay, very good, beta. Very good, very nice. So I think most of the students have completed this work. So bye beta. And okay, and if you are having any problem, please tell me. Next name of the animals I will do next on. Actually today is the first class, so that's why I have done little bit. Next class means Monday I will do all these things. Name of the animals, rabbit, hen, horse, then also that eagle, tiger, owl, cow and crow. This number B also name of the animals. We can do for the name of the animals today. Slowly I can write because time is there little bit. Page number 1, name of the animals. First one rabbit. Slowly you can write. Second one hen. Third one horse. Fourth one eagle. Slowly you can write. Fifth one tiger. Sixth one owl. Seventh one cow. And eighth one crow. So page number 1 today has finished. So please write slowly. So number 1 rabbit, second one hen, third one horse, Fourth one, slowly you should write. No need to do hurry. Okay, slowly you should write. Fourth one, eagle. Fifth one, tiger. Sixth one, owl. Seventh one, cow. And eighth one, crow. So name of the animals, first page we have done. Slowly, Shushovon, you should write. All the students I am telling, please write slowly. Okay, Porinita, very good. You have completed, Orijit completed, everybody you have completed. So thank you for doing this class, and very nice. Have a nice day, beta. So today, bye bye. Sushovan completed, bye beta. Okay.